But guess what? We are still here. We have seen 2 of the adults fly off, or, well, walk off, and then 1 flew off. Hoping that they will return with something to get the chicks excited, something to get us excited. For now, we wait. If nothing happens, you know, in the next few minutes, though, we should probably move on so that you're not staring at a bush the whole time and we can go and find some other animals. But I'd like to give it just a little bit more time. It's getting colder and darker, so it's likely that they're going to tuck in for the night soon. So I think it's nice to spend some time. Oh, up and down. I kind of really love how little animals get really curious. When the adults are not around. Because they get very safe when the adults are around, and when they're not, they become a little bit more curious, a little bit more movement. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Sweet. Finally, somebody has asked about